I love my lawn to bits, but mowing? Not so much. And no one seems to get my lawn right. Wait a minute, who's this little guy? Looks nothing like what I've seen before. Is it any good? I'm tired of perimeter wires of these robots. Wait, no wires? Sweet! I don't want to fiddle with satellite signals or set up an antenna either. I've got trees in my yard, it gets cloudy here. RTK or whatever seems complicated. No base station either? Wow, now we're talking. So how does it know where to mow? Oh, it plans mowing paths with full awareness of my yard? Fancy. Can I set it and forget it? I've got slopes. What if it rains? Cleaning and maintenance? All right, show me how well it actually mows. So Blix actually mows and mows really well. Honey, I want a Blix. Looks like the grass is greener on our side now. Loving your lawn has never been so easy. Sveaverken Blix Robotic Lawnmower.